have you here back in our show. It's from Admirals, best broker ever. My name is Markus, my moderator in the back. Nastia, wonderful good morning. So I hope you had a great night and always a good start into your own day. We stream this show on YouTube at the same time. You will find a button in the right corner. You can click on it to subscribe the channel. If you want, you can give us a like. You can leave a comment below the video, or right now in the chat. I can see it here on Zoom too. Okay, so let's go and stream my. Now I got the right one. Okay, and here we go. Chat box. So, who is with me this morning? Hartmut, good morning. Mihai, good morning. Uwe is also. Raskauskas. Domash, good morning. Sorry, that was the surname. Plamen, good morning. Greetings to Bulgaria. So, what do we expect today? Kurt, wonderful good morning. Welcome back here in the show. What do we expect today? Monthly GDP estimates. UK is already over. That was a hit. Then advanced monthly sales for retail and food we expect at 2:30 this afternoon. And the capacity utilization also this afternoon, 3:15. I guess 4:15 is this because it's London time here. So what's news on this side of Admirals? Analytics, Bank of Korea raises rates back to pre-pandemic level. Is here Dun & Bradstreet settles complaint from FTC. And of course here from yesterday, US job claims up to 23,000 in calendar week 8. So that's the top news this morning. If you're interested on it, is this your site? admiralmarkets.com/analytics. So who is with me? Raquel, good morning. William, good morning also. And again, William, we have two Williams this morning here. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Happy to have you here. Michael on YouTube also, good morning. I love this family style here with us because we are working all at the same front of trading. We have all of us, we have the same goal. We want to become successful with trading. And I'm really honored that I can lead you just a bit on this way to success. And you know, my preferred topic is trading with logic. Logic avoids emotions. Emotions is what makes us crazy, what avoids the success. And if you step on the path of logic, then you have a kind of guarantee to become successful in trading, but you have to switch your mind, by the way. Okay, so again, this afternoon, lovely webinar with my congenius partners, trading and sports. Jens is talking about this. What do athletes and traders have in common? You should join this session, by the way. If you have Telegram on your account, on your phone, or maybe on this on the screen on your computer, then you have the link in the chat right now. Thanks. Meshi, good morning on YouTube. Welcome here in our wonderful show. So here you can see in the channel of Admirals and Telegram all news, very interesting trading crypto CFDs. We had Jens webinar yesterday, done some interesting news here, for example. So, and the same you will find on Twitter, on Admiral's account, and of course my account is daytrader70 in case you follow me. You want to follow me there. Darshan, wonderful. Good morning. Okay, so let's switch to the charts. And first of all, we see our DAX trading, and finally it took so long to get a profit, to get a valid trend. And yesterday it happens. So, but the second trend arm, which is normally our entry, was happening in the middle of the night. So I missed it. It was not the big problem because there was not really a trend. It was a trend continuation, yes. There was a possibility to make money, just a bit, but it was in the middle of the night. But there's another proof. What I want to show you here is that the second trend works again. It works not always, then we would have 100% guarantee. We don't have, but it has a high probability. You see, there's the balance candle. It was a wonderful option to make money, partial profit, and with the rest you got out here. So now we have a new valid trend. It's facing upwards, but unfortunately that was the second trend arm too, but it was in the morning, very early in the morning. I used to get up very early, but that was too early for me. I didn't get it this morning, so I missed this. Maybe, yeah, actually we are circling around. The point of control is a bit higher, 16,010 euros by one future contract. So the price come back a little bit right now. So maybe we get an entry in the third trend arm, but for that we have to consider rule number 3, that we need a correction deeper than 38. We have right now a correction deeper than 38. Marie-Louise, good morning. And yeah, let's see if we get a balance candle, and then maybe we can make an entry in the third trend arm. It's fine to have an entry in the third trend arm. The best is in the second. In the third, it's also, but only if we have a balance candle, then we can talk about an entry here in DAX 10 minutes. So let's go to our focus charts. And you know, if you go to the side of Admirals, by the way, and then you will find here on the home page, I guess it is, yeah, the top instruments. It's DAX 40, it's Dow Jones 30, it's British pound, it's cable, it's gold, and it's Euro USD. So, and Bitcoin, by the way. This is why we talk every morning about this focus charts. So let's start with the Bitcoin. And in Bitcoin, by the way, we have, no, where is it? No, here we go. We start with Bitcoin, because we have an open trade in Bitcoin also. Why is it? Yeah, it was the second trend arm here. There was the correction, so I decided to open a trade at the point 2. Afterwards, trend is going to be to go into the correction deeper. So the trade is still running for the moment. And what is this? No, this is going up. We don't have to do anything for the moment. Just let it go. Yeah, you know, we have the probability on our side. No guarantee, but the probability. So just let it go. I don't care about the trade. My money management is in a stage, is in an, in a comfortable zone where I can say, I don't care about the trade. I have to do my job, no more, no less. This is a great challenge. Find your comfort zone for your money management. Yeah, and say goodbye to any illusions to make money in the overnight. Yeah, or become rich overnight. It's an illusion. We want to make serious jobs. We want to make doing serious jobs here. And as a serious jobs in trading means, draw the trend, find a signal in the second trend arm, and let it go. That's what we have to do. And the result is on our side, since we don't miss any signals, by the way. So then it's Dow Jones. We also have an open position in Dow Jones because it was same similar situation. We have a trend. That was the second trend arm. So I decided to open a trade at the point 2. Yeah, and now we are in. Nothing to do for the moment. So then the next chart is, let me see here. Okay, just a moment. So the next one is, DAX 40, in case you trade DAX 40. In DAX 40, we have kind of downtrend. So where are you right now? Oh, here we go. So now I got it. So the first trend arm, second one, and then third one. By the way, we hit the point of control exactly, which is really interesting. So is this a trend break? Nah, not really. Not really. It's just a game between the big players and the unexperienced traders. Yeah, it's not really a trend break. It's a kind of game. So actually, for the moment, there is nothing to do. Actually, you see, we are struggling, and we saw correction and bit more buyers here at the point of high. So there is nothing to do for the moment. Another one, which is really interesting, and I know one of our students here and followers have this trade still running. I'm really, really happy about this. So we are close to the point of control right now, and you see it was really awesome. Really awesome. That's the trend. Second trend arm, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seven, and number eight. Number eight. And now we're going to see the ninth trend arm. That's amazing. That's really amazing. This is what I want to teach you. The moment if you can let it go, and at the moment you liberate your mind and you say goodbye to any illusions, this is how you can make money, a lot of money. The money is in let it go and let it run. There is the money in, not in a quick and fast overnight. It's not happening. Maybe on a coincidence, yes, it could be happen, but not in real. You cannot duplicate it, of course not. So let's have a look at the gold chart. I guess we have two trends here. First of all, the downtrend is still valid. It's this one. It's still valid, and we have almost a 100% correction right now. So the trend will break here exactly at the point of high, which is really interesting. And we have a secondary trend, which is this one, first trend arm. And here's the second one. So in case you missed it, there was the entry in a second trend arm. Yeah, and it was enough to make a bit of partial profits. Now we are in the third trend arm. So this is why I try to teach you to take every second trend arm. And one of the big advantages of MetaTrader 5 and 4 is that you can make a kind of hedging. Yeah, and this is also absolutely necessary if you want to take every second trend on, because we don't know which one will be stronger, which one will continue on the right side. So for me, basically the main trend is facing downwards, but you see everything happens within the red zone, and this is a kind of fair price. Yeah, so therefore you have to trade all both. So actually, I missed the second one in the uptrend, but the downtrend is still valid. So, and I'm waiting for the moment that we see, maybe we don't see a trend break here at this point 3. And what I'm waiting is that maybe we see kind of this one. And then I want to go short again, because the long entry I missed. This is my, how I read the chart in gold. Okay, so then focus chart is we have Bitcoin, Dow, gold, DAX, and Euro USD. Amazing, right? Amazing. This morning, I sold half of my position. Oh my gosh, I love it. So now we are kind of struggling here a bit, but the trend is quite safe. Yeah, even we can trail the stop, hard stop a little bit closer. Yeah, if this is the soft stop maybe. So you see, we sold half the position, and yeah, actually, so the point of control in Euro USD actually is on the lower side. So there is no target. I sold 75%. Yeah, I sold 75% of a position because I'm trading away from point of control. So I cannot lose money anymore. So, and now my suggestion is please stop interpreting right now. Please stop analyzing. Just trade the trend. Let it go. Let it go. Actually, maybe we see a new trend continuation, then we can trail the soft stop closer and everything is fine. So Euro USD, I went long at 113.63. Yeah. I'm just writing it at minute. Oh, congratulations. Yeah, just only I can say write the trend. I don't have an opinion. This is why I say don't interpret, stop analyzing. The rules are clear and the plan is also clear. So let it go. If you write the trend, write the trend. As long as the price says trend is over, yeah, this is what I can suggest. So just for example, the British pound, Canadian dollar, or this one, or just a couple of other trades I'll show you right now. So I don't have an opinion. Just write the trend. Stop analyzing. Stop interpreting. Just write the trend. Listen to the chart. It's really not interpreting. It's not your job. It's not your job to interpret. It's your job to listen to the chart, stick to the rules, whatever you have kind of rules, and then let it go. The moment you've made partial profits, money is yours, trade is safe, let it go. Just my private opinion about this. Okay, that was the focus charts. Before we come to the running trades, I have my question of today, and this is on Friday. And my question of today is called, if we have one, thanks, Nastia. Did you reach your own goals this week? So first of all, yes, I did. Finally, I did. No, I did not. I had no goals this week. That's your 3 options. And I'm looking forward to see the result. Okay, so we have a couple of trades running. This is Australian dollar, Swiss franc. Actually, yeah, we were a bit in, we didn't have a trend continuation, by the way. Look, that was no trend continuation. We failed at the point 2 again. Actually, there is nothing to do for the moment. Yeah. Therefore, just let it go. Actually, let it go. Nothing to do. Bitcoin, we talked about. Canadian dollar, Swiss franc. We are still in profit. We sold out of position. Everything is fine. But now we have to consider that on the right side of the chart is quite a down. It's a downtrend. So is this one, and there was 3 candles in a row, which means this is a correction. You have to consider this is a correction. So which means now we are in the move of this contrary or corrective trend, and here the correction starts. So, and if this candle is over at 11, then I will set a pending order at this small point 2, because it's the second trend arm. And I don't know right now which one will continue. The green one can continuing, the red one also. So, and I don't care. I have to listen to the chart and I have to follow the rules. Yeah. Mike, have a nice day. See you later in the recording. If any question, come back to me. So next one is British pound, Swiss franc. So it's still short position. Yeah, there is no contrary trend for the moment. So short position is fine, still fine. And by the way, we sold half the position. So nothing to do. Dow Jones, we talked about. Euro Japanese yen. Yeah, you see, we stuck to the rules. We haven't reached point 2 right now. So actually there is nothing to do. And you see, we came out of the correction, which means I will sell half of my position, because point of control, Euro Japanese yen. Where is it? Here we go. So in Euro Japanese yen, point of control is a lower side. So I will sell half of my position when I reach the point 2. And I guess we can set an alert, an alarm here that we don't miss the partial profit. So next one is British pound, Australian dollar. Same situation. Yeah, we are safe. The green trend is still valid. It's the main trend. And on the right side, we can see here this downtrend, which means, okay, there is the lovely correction. And let's measure the move. If we have a close deeper than 38, then we are waiting for the balance candle. We open the trade after the balance candle. Okay, so you see, we have a close above 38, which means we are waiting for rule number 3, rule number 4, waiting for a balance candle. Then we can open the trade on the way down. British pound, Swiss franc. Yeah, this is what I'm doing here. The long trend is still running. And we trade the correction also. It's a kind of hedging position. And as you can see, we broke through the last 0.2. Actually, this morning I saw this balance candle, so I sold half of my position. Everything is fine. Oh, 75% because it's a corrective trend. So fine, right? Stop loss, soft stop is below the is above the last 0.3. Hard stop quite a little bit far away because spikes, something like this. Yeah, now just let it go. I don't know what happens or what will happen on the right side of the chart. So I always just only stop interpreting, stop analyzing, just listen to the chart and read the chart. That's also, it's really easy. It's really easy in Heikin Ashi because you have two candles. There's nothing to interpret. Trend candle, movement is going on. Balance candle, movement ends. That's all. Yeah, point of control is British pound, Swiss franc on the upper side. On the upper side. Therefore, I guess could be that the long trend is still valid, still reaching the point of control. Whatever. I don't care about this, by the way. Okay, so next one is New Zealand dollar, Swiss franc. So yeah, we opened the long position here. Back in the correction, actually nothing to do. Instead of New Zealand dollar, US dollar, so we are in profit with the green one. And finally, we saw a breakthrough to the last 0.2 here. So, and now I'm waiting here for making a partial profit. But now I can see the color changed from this candle too, which means, okay, just let it go. Maybe the price will going up more. Yeah, let it go. Let it go for the moment. If you see a balance candle at 11, maybe then I sell half of the position because a New Zealand dollar, where is the point of control? It's on the upper side. So sell half of the position and then let's go. This is going to be awesome, guys. This is really awesome. US dollar, Canadian dollar. And you see, this is how you can make money. So if you have an account size, let's see $10,000 euros more, then you can work with a standard lot. Yeah, and standard lot means one pip round about $10, which means you have $3,000. Someone must work a lot for this money. Yeah. Now let's say we have less than 10,000 on the account size. Then you can work with mini lots. So maybe you can work with 2 mini lots. So one mini lot means one pip round about $1. So, and then you can sell half the position, and then you here made money around 100 or what is it? I don't know, kind of $50 roundabout. And with the other one, you are in profit with $300. And now imagine what $300 means. Maybe in Europe, $300, for me, $300 is a lot of money. Really, really a lot of money for me. But now imagine you're living in Africa, in Asia, something like this. Then think about what $300 could mean for people in Asia and Africa. And this is why I make so many efforts to spread this idea of logic to all people around the world, to help people. It's not becoming rich, it's becoming surviving in life. And this is a great, great idea, to help people around the world to get a better life. And I guess this is our real job on this planet Earth, what we should do with trading, not becoming rich, not becoming rich overnight, just helping people. And now you get it. Now you know how it works. Spread it to your people. Invite them to Admirals. Invite them to the show and show them the way of logic. This is how we can change the world. And this is what I'm doing from the bottom of my heart. And I hope you will be with me. And once COVID-19 is a bit under control, then I guess we can go traveling again, and then we can spread this idea by roadshows around the world. And I'm looking forward to see you in person anywhere on this planet. So next one is crude oil. Also, you see it's in daily chart. It's really awesome. We are way in profit, and this is really fine. So you want to see our weekly result? Yeah, I made this. Look at this one. You see, that's the result. We made 230 euros this week. And this is the result. And this is what we want to do. Yeah. And you see, since December, I changed and I get back to my own trading, not missing a signal. Yeah. And just have a proper trade management and time management. This is what's happening. And this is my big goal. And it's the account, but by the way, I want to show you how it could be really works. A lot of strategy are working, but the moment you get on the step, you step on the path of logic, is the moment you have a kind of guarantee to become successful. And to be honest, I got kind of messages, people buying this online course, for example. And if you see the unproven expert for the moment, for example, and I get so many comments below such simple as of this course, and I see the results. Guys, this is what makes really happy. What makes more happy than help other people? Trading is a simple system. The challenge is the human being kind behavior. But this is what makes me happy every single day, that I have the seeds to give you the chance to change your life too. And now imagine we can do this together. We can change everything. It's in the palm in our hands. Why we should not use this chance? There is no reason why we should not use this chance. So take it, show it to your people, and change the world together with me. We can do it. Yes, we can. Absolutely. So my question for you today was Friday question. Did you reach your own goals this week? Oh, by the way, there is no trading idea for Friday today. So did you reach your own goals this week? With 44% yes, I did finally. And 38% no, I did not. And 18% says, yeah, I had no goals this week. So, I just only can recommend you every Friday. I'm happy for you if you reach your goal. Celebrate it on weekend. Make a note in your handwritten diary and celebrate it with your people, with your family. Invite them to kind of glass of wine or maybe just a burger, something. Celebrate it because you are the exception. You did it and you get it and you can celebrate it. Do it. It's awesome. It's really awesome because trading is a challenge. And if you reached your goals this week, it's a reason to celebrate it. So do it. I can just recommend do it. And if you say, nah, damn it, I did not reach my goals, don't be worried. It's a travel. It's a journey. Yeah. The journey is the goal. Yeah. So next week again, Be strong. I know, I believe in you. I believe in you because you're here in this show. Oh, I have to finish again. So stop it. You know what I want to say? I wish you a lovely day. I wish you a great, successful weekend. And as always, have courage and be kind. And may the force of the rules be with you. See ya.